This week's tech tip of the week is printing off Google Slides. So I think we all remember how to do it in PowerPoint, where you just select the number of slides per page. It's a little bit different in Google Slides. So the first thing you need to do is just go ahead and open up your slideshow. And then when you go to print it, when you click on File, you need to click on Print Settings and Preview. Now this is going to bring up a new toolbar which allows you to select how many slides you want per page, and then from here you can simply hit print. So again, you can't just hit File, Print, or even the print button here. To get that option, you need to make sure you go into File, Print Settings and Preview to get that option.